know?
Yeah, it's thin
I
now.
don't want to break it. Come on.
You should try getting like maybe your comb in there too.
What's wrong? I just let it.
That
Look
was
on my
mine.
store step. This guy's definitely gonna be like, dude.
Who cares?
He already came out once. He's probably hiding that.
You serious? You know? I see him.
Oh, it's in. Now it's just down lower. Alright.
It's gonna be a miracle, people.
Dry by you. Dip.
Who is it?
It is. I'm gonna stop in your house.
Probably a cop.
I'm just kidding. Your neighbor's house.
Call locksmith. Still calling mom. Be like, Mom, is there an extra key around?
Nah, she does what she puts him
This
sometimes.
house is so easy to break into. Just go in the grill and get the key.
I know.
I'll find it now.
Holy shit.